I watched a movie today, and it will forever make me look at my stove with a lot of suspicion anytime the flame shows a hint of blue. I am talking about Agni. It is a new release on Amazon Prime Video, and it explores this very rarely talked about theme of the life of firefighters in India. Agni talks about the taken for granted attitude we have towards firefighters and how we completely ignore the sort of risks they take daily and sometimes sacrificing their lives in situations for complete strangers, people they don't even know. The credit for bringing such situation under control goes to the big boys in the police force. As the movie unfolds, it dawns how complicit all of us are actually in this. Starting from the municipal corporations that approve building plans which completely ignore fire safety practices and regulations, to builders who knowingly choose low quality flammable materials to build public places and homes, to regular people who have skipped every civics class in school and now give a damn about safety protocol and regulations. Chalo, that's one way to get out a social message. Pratik Gandhi gets into the skin of Vittal Rao, the chief of Parel Fire Force. He is a man completely disgruntled with his job because it is so thankless and he's completely helpless to do anything about it. But it doesn't end there. He has a loving wife, but a brat of a son who hero worships his mama, who is a hotshot policeman who has some ego issue going on with Vittal Rao. Pratik Gandhi is no doubt the standout performer in the movie, and Jitendra Joshi is a close second. Now, Joshi is such a natural in his role as a man with a dark past and a twisted mind that you forget there's a camera pointing at his face throughout the movie. The CGI work in the movie is also worth mentioning. So there was a scene where a man was completely engulfed in fire, and I was not ready for how realistic that looked. It is the stuff of nightmares. The screenplay smartly reminds the audience of the other main character of the movie. Yes, fire. So even when there isn't a building burning down to ashes on screen, you have a benign aarti fire or a small flame on the kitchen stove reminding you of the theme. If you notice, the entire movie is very orangey. Now, the saturated color serves the same purpose. It does not let you forget that the environment in the story is actually very intense. One thing I really appreciated about the movie was that it did not have any unnecessary song and dance sequence. Not every movie needs it, right? In Agni, at least, it would have been a complete distraction or unnecessary melodrama. The movie is not exactly a thriller, but neither is it a drama. There is a whodunit angle, but the script does not adequately build up the suspense. Even the villain reveal is not that impactful. It will not make you go, what? It will rather make you say, oh, acha? The other thing that could have been better is the screenplay. It is so painfully predictable. If you watched 10 movies also in your life, you will know when two characters who have not been adequately built up start talking about a future very, very extensively, you know there is no future. Something bad is going to happen. And at this point, this is not even a spoiler. Now, coming to Divyendu, who plays the hot headed policeman. Now, this character is supposed to be someone who's cunning and super smart and someone who does not play by the book. Something like what Jimmy Shergill recently did in Sikandar Ka Mukaddar. But there's a lot lacking. He comes across as an actor, a good actor, but an actor nonetheless. You know, a person who's just pretending to be someone and not really living the part. Sayami Kher is sincere in her role as an officer in the fire force, but she seems very unaffected by a really big tragic loss which happens in her life in the movie, except in a specific ambulance scene. Her burst of emotion in the ambulance scene almost makes it look like that little bit was cut out of some other movie and stitched into this. The last thing I would point out in the movie, which could have been done better, is the ending itself. It was so abrupt. For a movie that is basically a commentary on how the system has failed to take care of its firefighters, how we as a society lack civic responsibility, and how authorities are so averse to working that they'd rather brush allegations of arson under the rug than actually investigate. Movie ends with Vittal Rao's personal win. I feel 5 more minutes of runtime could have probably given the audience a better closure. Agni is a very good attempt by director Rahul Dholakia to make a great movie, but it falls short somewhere in the storytelling. The audience is invested in Vittal Rao's journey from start to the end. It's like you know exactly what's going to happen next, but you still want to know how it happens. Agni is special because of the novelty of its theme. Let's hope we get to see more such movies that bring to light unsung heroes and teach the audience to steer clear from poorly built buildings.